Good morning, everyone. Today's video we will be discussing one very common misconception everybody almost practicing law of attraction has, and why is it so important in the case when you are practicing something like height gain. People say act as if. When you are acting as if you're taller, you are consciously like, I'm acting as if taller because I am not tall. It's so illogical, right? You attract what you are. You don't attract what you want. This is law of attraction. And it's all in terms of frequencies and vibrations. So when you're acting as if you're taller, you will be like, okay, I'm acting as if I'm taller because I'm already short. And this is why law of attraction will fail for you. So rather than acting as if, you have to be as if. Be as if you're taller. A tall person is not bothered about her or his height. He is simply focused on life goals, what he or she has to achieve in future. He is not bothered about comparing with others because he is secured. He is confident about his or her own height. He or she is so much involved in their life goal, in their life purpose, that they don't have any time. Literally, they don't have any time or any need to compare. They don't even observe what's their height, what's the other person's height. They rarely do observe about these things because they are so secure that they are already tall. And this is one big mistake most people practicing law of attraction are doing. They are like, we have to act as if, we have to act as if. No, you are not supposed to act as if. You act as if because you are saying that I am already short. Your height is not a disease. And when you are acting as if you are somewhere showing that your short height is a disease, and you are acting as if you're taller because you're already short. It's very simple. Let me repeat that again for you. You attract what you are. You don't attract what you want. You are wanting great height and you are acting as if taller and you're, I'm taller than him, I'm taller than her. It won't be happening. When you're so self-secured and when you're so confident like a tall person is, you're like, okay, I'm busy in my life goals, I'm busy in what I'm focused upon, I'm busy upon manifesting other things. You have already put the intention once, you have let it go. Now simply, you are a tall person that is being as if, and the universe and your own body will respond accordingly, and your height will be increased. This is one very common thing everybody who has manifested height using law of attraction has done. They have practiced, and this is why they gain. And people who are failing, they have simply been just acting as if. And when you act as if, you're constantly giving the signal to your subconscious that I am already not a tall person. This is why you have to stop acting as if. You have to stop comparing. You have to stop observing. And this is why I say let it go. This is the exact concept of letting it go when it comes to something like height gain or anything in law of attraction. Because your obsession will show desperation, and desperation will bring down your vibrations and frequencies by a huge amount. And when your vibrations and frequencies are down, you won't be attracting positive or good things in your life. Be it for your body, be it for your success, be it for your wealth, you won't be. So simply let go of all the desperation and fear and obsession and anxiety related to your desire, because that will simply be bringing you down. Don't act as if, be as if. People, and many people, when they let it go, they are simply waiting. They are simply waiting that, okay, I have to let it go for 30 days, I have to let it go for 60 days, whatever the time period is. Okay, so now I'm letting it go for 30 days, 1 month. I'll be waiting 1 month, and after 1 month, I'll be checking again. That is not letting go. Letting go is like you're so confident about your height that you don't have any need to check. Then people will come and tell you that you're growing taller. You will be like, no, I have always been taller. And then you'll be observing your height gain. Then it will happen. When you're waiting, okay, I have let it go. Let me wait for 1 month. Today 1 day passed. Tomorrow second day will pass. Day after tomorrow third day is passing. Yeah, 5 days pass. Yeah, 10 days pass. That is not letting go. Okay, finally 1 month passed, and now let me check. Oh, I am same. I am same. That is not letting go. That is not letting go. Make it very, very clear. Letting go is simply letting go of all the thoughts and obsessions and the desperation that you have related to your height. That is the exact letting go. And for that, you have to be as if a tall person. Be so focused, be so involved, be so productive in your life and improving the quality of your life, improving the quality of gratitude that you practice, the quality of thoughts and inner state of consciousness that you have, that you literally don't have any time to focus or compare or to think about height. That is what letting go is. When people tell you you are looking taller, then you get to remember, oh, I did something for my height. This is what is exactly needed. So start practicing that from now. Be as if. Don't act as if. Don't confuse things. Don't try several methods and techniques. Your method or technique is never wrong. Many people come to me telling me that I have practiced this method. Should I try this method? I say there is no problem with in the method that you have practiced. The problem is in letting go and being as if. So you have to focus on that. You have to practice more gratitude. You have to improve the quality of work and productivity that you are doing. And then see miracles coming in your own life. This is law of attraction. And I'll repeat once again, you don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. And this is in terms of frequencies, energies, and vibrations. So focus on increasing your vibrations. Height gain will automatically happen. Have a great day and a great life, everyone.